In this presentation, we will discuss 3 seeds proven by clinical studies to effectively reduce symptoms of nerve damage. Stay tuned to learn about these seeds, their recommended quantities, preparation methods, and a readily available option. These seeds have demonstrated efficacy in lowering numbness and pins and needle sensations caused by nerve injury. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to channel for all things wellness and lifestyle. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or stumbling upon healthy habits for the first time, I invite you to join me on this journey. Watch the entire video, and let's embark on a path towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. From this section, the 3 seeds proven by clinical studies to effectively alleviate nerve damage symptoms include pumpkin seeds. These seeds are considered a nutrient powerhouse, rich in essential minerals such as magnesium, calcium, iron, protein, and healthy fats, making them beneficial for nerve health. Magnesium, found abundantly in pumpkin seeds, plays a crucial role in regulating calcium ions, essential for nerve impulse transmission in the body. Nerve function relies on an adequate amount of magnesium, and any imbalance in these ions can lead to various symptoms such as numbness, pin and needle sensations, and sharp shooting pains caused by nerve damage. Pumpkin seeds contribute to improving nerve function and reducing these symptoms. In addition to their positive impact on nerve health, pumpkin seeds contain a compound called tryptophan, which can aid in inducing relaxation and may be beneficial for those experiencing difficulty sleeping due to insomnia. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can also contribute to improved skin quality, thanks to their zinc content, which stimulates collagen production, enhances skin elasticity, and may help in managing acne. Clinical studies suggest that consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds daily can provide these benefits. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily diet can be achieved by roasting them and having them as a snack, offering a healthier alternative to sugary snacks. Monitoring the severity and duration of numbness, pain, and needle sensations can help assess the effectiveness of pumpkin seeds in improving neuropathy symptoms over time. The second seed recommended for naturally relieving symptoms of nerve damage is flax seed. Flax seed is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, and omega-3 fatty acid that clinical studies have proven effective in lowering inflammation in injured nerves. Additionally, ALA is beneficial for preventing the worsening of neuropathy symptoms and has been shown to support nerve repair and regeneration by serving as building blocks for the formation of new nerve cells and repairing damaged ones. Incorporating flax seed into your daily diet comes with added benefits, including the presence of lignan, a compound proven to help balance hormones. This is particularly helpful for women experiencing menopausal symptoms. Moreover, lignans have been found to prevent certain types of cancer, making flax seed a valuable addition for those with a family history of cancer. Clinical studies suggest that consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds daily can provide these benefits. Ground flax seed is an easy way to incorporate it into your routine without significantly altering the texture of your dishes. You can add ground flax seed to smoothies by blending it with your favorite fruits, yogurt, or a smoothie. Sprinkling it on top of oatmeal or cereal, adding it to yogurt with honey or fruit, or stirring it into soups and stews just before serving are other effective ways to boost your fiber and omega-3 intake. Keeping a neuropathy symptom journal to monitor changes in sensation, pain, or mobility is essential for gauging progress over time. Chia seeds have the potential to naturally alleviate symptoms of nerve damage, particularly in cases where neuropathy is a complication of diabetes. Chia seeds are known to be helpful for diabetic neuropathy because they have been proven to regulate blood sugar levels due to their high fiber content. If numbness is associated with diabetic neuropathy, incorporating chia seeds into the diet can be beneficial. Additionally, chia seeds play a role in weight management, an aspect crucial in addressing neuropathy symptoms. Weight gain can exert additional pressure on affected nerves, potentially exacerbating symptoms. Therefore, managing weight is an essential component of neuropathy treatment. An extra benefit of chia seeds is their energy-boosting properties, making them advantageous for individuals experiencing fatigue. With a rich protein content, chia seeds provide energy throughout the day without adding extra calories. Consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds can offer these benefits. A recommended way to prepare chia seeds is by making chia pudding. To do this, mix or blend 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with almond milk, top it with your favorite food, and leave it in the fridge overnight. This can serve as a nutritious breakfast to help improve symptoms of nerve damage over time. While results may not be instant, consistent use of these seeds can contribute to reducing numbness and pin and needle sensations naturally. These 3 seeds, including chia seeds, have been clinically proven to be powerful aids in managing neuropathy symptoms. Before we conclude today's video, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this journey towards better health and wellness. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as a part of our Healthy Habits community. If you found this video valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with friends and family who might benefit from it. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. If you value the knowledge and insights we provide and would like to support our channel in a meaningful way, please consider making a donation. Your contribution, no matter how big or small, helps us continue our work, improve our content, and reach even more people. It's your support that keeps the wheels turning and motivates us to keep creating content that matters.